Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making Christmas special rose cookies. Let's go to the kitchen fast. Take a medium-sized bowl and break 3 eggs in it. Beat it well and add a cup of sugar in 3 batches while continuously mixing it. You can use castor sugar or powdered sugar for easier mixing. These rose cookies are one of the most common Christmas munchies and also known as Acchu Murukku. Then take a cup of refined flour and slowly add it to the same mixture. Keep beating it so that no lumps are formed. Now the mixture has become quite thick. Take a cup of coconut milk and slowly mix it with the batter. The batter is now becoming less thicker. Take half a cup of rice flour and add it to the same batter. Mix it continuously. This should be the consistency now. If you really like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, as this will help us grow. Add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder and mix it again. Then add some salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Look at this lovely consistency, neither very thick nor too watery. For deep frying the cookies, let's take 1 cup of oil and heat it well along with the mold. Then dip the hot mold 80% in the batter and pass it directly in the super hot oil. Shake the mold slightly inside the oil. You can see the cookie is coming out smoothly. Fry it well on both sides. It should have a golden color when it's done. Don't over fry. Keep repeating the same process. One point to be noted is, do not overheat the mold before dipping it into the batter. Look at these lovely rose cookies with beautiful golden color. These super crunchy cookies can be stored in airtight containers for more than a month. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.